Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video we have talked about the mouse, how to connect and how to insert it or how to use it. And today's method or today's video we are using a USB hub plus OTG adapter wireless or USB wireless. This is the most common method. If you have standard USB wire or wireless accessories, it's look like this. This is that device I have been talking to you. You can use it by connecting to computer to mobile phone, but at first you have to enable the OTG on your Android mobile phone or in any mobile phone that you have been using. So here let's move on the setting. This is the setting. Now you can turn on the OTG. Search for the OTG. Here OTG has been shown, and if you don't have this type of device, then you can buy this USB hub. This is very good. I will give you link in the description. You can also buy this one. Okay, so let's check it out. This, if you want to watch this specification and unboxing video, I have already uploaded. You can check on my channel. Look in this way. Now I have to check out the wire of my mouse and I have to insert this wire. Next, our mouse wire. So friends, as you can see, I have connected it. This USB receiver is not working, so I have connected with my wire, connected with USB to Type-C wire. You can use this type of wire, and here now mouse also will be work. Even the mobile phone I have on the OTG. Now you can use it, these three devices one. So friends, this is how you can connect the USB with OTG adapter setup. This is very easy and you can test or you can try these steps. You can also insert it in this way and this will work too. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.